Like, wait a second. Share my screen. All right, so I think we can start now. Hello, everyone, and welcome to our learning hour session. Good morning. I'm Adib, and I'm delighted to be your host for today's session. We are honored to have our expert trainer, Mr. Saiful Nizam, who will be sharing valuable insights on Write Smarter, Mastering Copilot in Microsoft Word. During the session, please feel free to ask questions in the chat box below. Mr. Nizam will address all questions at the end of the session. As a reminder, please keep your microphones muted throughout the session to avoid any disruptions. Without further ado, I hand over the floor to Mr. Nizam.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Adib. Okay, Assalamualaikum, a very good Friday to anyone who's joining the session now. Okay, my name is Nizam. I'm the trainer for Microsoft Office, basically. Okay, so I'm training for the Microsoft Office products. Okay, yeah. So basically, Microsoft products such as Microsoft Words. One of it is Microsoft Words. Okay, let me check a few things first. Okay, for this session, if you have any kind of question, you can always ask me. You don't worry. You can always ask me. I can answer your questions. Okay. Oh, good. Okay, now I just realized my camera now can follow my movement. Okay. I'm going to share my screen to make sure that everybody can see my screen. Okay, just set up a few things first. Okay, good. There are 37 people in this session. Let me check. We have Miss Nadia Shahid, Zarin Zazwani, we have Tan Kin Yai, Mita Lumpu, Chan Chu, Samsu Alam, Zini, Mak Faiza, yada yada. Okay, good. Thank you for joining the session. Okay, now I'm going to share my screen to show you what we are going to discuss for this session. Okay. Minimize my screens here. Okay, I want to hide this box. Okay, good. Now, when we talk about Microsoft Words, people thought that, oh, words, just writing letters lah. No, words can do more than just writing a letter. Okay, most people, we don't really use the power of Microsoft Words. Somehow, now, you can add Copilot into your Microsoft Word to help you to do your work. Okay, let me explain to you about the structure of Copilot by Microsoft before we dive into Microsoft Word with Copilot and see what it can help you in writing documents. Okay, first, PowerPoint here. I use PowerPoint just to draw. It's very easy to draw from PowerPoint here. Okay, here we got what color? I think working smart with PowerPoint. Yep, write smarter, mastering Microsoft Copilot. Yeah. Okay, let me change. I want to change some design here. Good. Oh no. This is nice. Okay, good. Now, for your information, for Microsoft Copilot, basically we got two type. Okay, Microsoft Copilot. Okay, basically we got two type of Microsoft Copilot now. Okay, basically we got two. The first one is Copilot Enterprise. We call it as Copilot Enterprise, and another one is Copilot GPT. Generative predefined transformer, if I'm not mistaken, GPT. Okay, Copilot GPT and Chat GPT, they sounds like, but you have to understand, this is Copilot created by Microsoft. So that means you got Copilot by Enterprise and Copilot GPT. Where is Copilot Enterprise and where is Copilot GPT? Copilot GPT is actually Copilot that you can find from your PC, where you just go to your start menu, okay, and you can find there is Copilot in here. Okay, this is Copilot GPT, where it's good for you to chat. It's good for you to chat. All right, and if you ask Nizam, what is about Copilot Enterprise and what is Copilot Enterprise? Copilot Enterprise is Copilot that built into your apps, such as in this Microsoft PowerPoint, I got Copilot in it. Okay, let's say in my Microsoft Excel, come on Excel, faster. In my Microsoft Excel here, I also got Copilot in it. And you see, over here, I got Copilot for each of these cells. And this Copilot help you to handle your Words, Excel, and PowerPoint, your apps proficiently. Oh, lama. Nice. Okay. It's also have inside your Word. Okay. You also will have it inside your Microsoft Word. You see, my Microsoft Words here also got Copilot that will help you to solve few writings issue. But you still need to write. But Copilot will give you suggestion. If you ask me, I love this kind of suggestion. Okay, guys, you see, in my Excel, sorry, in my PowerPoint block, in my Words, I got two parts here, which is first one is editor, the second one is Copilot. Editor is basically all editing tools that we have in our Microsoft Word, whilst Copilot is the additional. Maybe now when you try to find on your PC, maybe you try to find on your apps right now, you cannot find Copilot in your Microsoft Office. Maybe because you haven't get the update yet. Okay, if you look at mine, you go to my account, you see there, I got Copilot in my Microsoft Office 365. I got Copilot in my Microsoft Office 365. I got Copilot over there. If you don't have it, that means you don't have Copilot Enterprise. Okay? Don't lose hope. You can try to update your Microsoft Office to see if your license eligible for the updates. If you get the updates, and then okay, oh, I got a good news only. This one only works for Microsoft Office 365. If you are using Microsoft Office 2019, 17, 2021, or 2024, you don't have this. Okay? I'm so sorry. Okay, only Microsoft Office 365 have this one. Okay, let's go back here. What this Copilot Enterprise and Copilot GPT can do. Okay, guys, also, this is the GPT one, right? If you go to your, if you go to your browser, so now this is my browser. In my browser here, you see, this is Copilot, okay? And this is also Copilot. But the Copilot on top here is enterprise version, which embedded into a software, into an apps. And this Copilot is actually Copilot GPT, same like on your desktop. If I click this one, what it can do, guys, this one, okay, let me sign in first. Because I think they just update so that they kick me out. Okay, let me sign in. Let me sign in. So now I signed in already. Okay, so from here, okay, all right, what you can do, you can add new items, you can upload. This is basically for you to chat. Okay, write a first draft, get advice, learn something new. These are all GPT, same like your chat GPT. Maybe now you ask Nizam, you want to compare your Microsoft Copilot and Chat GPT. Which one is much better? I cannot say, and I cannot tell which one is better because this thing keep on update time by time. Guys, the difference, I can tell you the difference. Copilot did not have memory to store your data. That means Copilot don't know about you like ChatGPT knows about you. The more you give input to ChatGPT, it able to understand who are you, what do you like, where do you go, what is your favorite color, yada yada yada. That is ChatGPT. Whilst for Copilot, it doesn't have that kind of memory. It doesn't have any memory to remember about your activity or anything. Okay. In Copilot also, you're able to create an image. You want to create an image of what? You say, create an image of flying. Okay, flying elephant. Okay, it also able to draw for you. Just give a second. Yeah, while it's trying to draw, just let it draw. Once it's finished, then you can see the image. Okay. Okay, same like your chat GPT, you will ask it to draw and then it will take time to draw and yada yada yada. Normally like that. Okay. Now, this is my Microsoft Word. Okay. I want to write and I want to improve and I want to improvise my writings in Microsoft Word. Okay. This one is nice. Okay, let's see. You see, from here, select the icon or press alternate I on your keyboard to draft with Copilot. That means if I click here on this icon, pump, so now I can draft whatever I want from Copilot. Or, okay, let's say I want to draft based on whatever the ideas that they had here. Write a newsletter on successful campaign during rainy season. This is some idea. Okay. Write a low budget 3 day trip for Paris. This is the idea. Create a list of ideas for school science project about gravity. This is also some ideas. Let's say I use some predefined ideas that given by Microsoft. Write a newsletter successful campaign during training season. I click there, okay, and then from here there are two options where you can use, okay, you can use deep research, where it will go to online and do some research for you, or I just don't want to go too deep. I just want to try the very quick one. I just click here to generate the report. That's my prompt. Click, and automatically it will try to create something for you. You see? Okay. After you give the idea based on whatever you want, it will come up with a prompt and it asks you whether you want to keep this idea or you want to change, you want to delete, or you want to change the type of text here. Maybe here, make it more formal. Example, some prompt, more prompt to amend or to modify your prompt. I type here, make it more fun, maybe. Instead of formal, I make it more fun. So make those things more fun. Okay? Guys, let's say I like this idea. I keep it. This is the plan that I created by using my Microsoft Copilot. By suggested Copilot. Okay, while writing this one, let me check my image. Yeah, that is my flying elephant. Yes. Okay, and if you want to do any amendment, you can write some prompt here so that you can make amendment. Okay, good. Guys, now, do you think this kind of writings is just a simple like writings? No, this is the proper way of writings. You know why? You see, look at this area. It write this letter, it write this proposal complete with header. You see? Complete with header and style. Maybe last time when you write something, okay, maybe last time when you write something in your Microsoft Word, maybe you write like this. I don't know your how do you use your Microsoft Word, but I tell you honestly, most of people they use Microsoft Word wrongly. You see, I start with a blank one, and I write something. Okay, I just write something. Okay, maybe this is the text that I wrote by myself without the help of AI. I write something like this. So normally, if I want to add some header, I want to add some title. What I do over here, maybe training proposal. You know, training proposal. Okay, maybe I have this training proposal. AI training proposal. Okay, done. Oh, Nizam. Okay, now this is my data. So I don't know how to do it. Maybe, okay, this is the header, right? So what you do, some people, they do this. They do this. They select everything. You know what they do? They increase the size to 16, and then they change the font type to some font that only they know what they want. And then maybe they change the color, and maybe they put some, what color? Underline on it. The title. Okay? And then they go back here. They press enter here for the introduction. How do they do for introduction to make the introduction have same design like on top here? Some of them, not you, but some of them, they use this method. They select this. They remember, oh, Aharoni 16 underline. You know what they do? They select this. They choose here Aharoni 16 underline. Some of them still doing this. Okay, and I know, but maybe for you, maybe you do this. Introduction. Maybe here I type as background. Maybe some of you, you do this one. You select this. You go to Format Painter, and then you paint like this. Ta-da! Guys, I'm so sad to tell you, either method is actually incorrect. Yes, whether you are remembering the size of the font, or you are copying, you are painting the format of the font to new header. Both method is incorrect. If you ask me why, you see the difference. The document that created by me and the document created by my Microsoft Copilot. We look at here. We got headings. Here got not only head, we don't have head, even though the eyebrows we don't have here. We have nothing there. Over here, it includes the header. Now, maybe you ask Nizam, what's so important having a header? Why is it so important having a header? Guys, that's why I tell you, we don't use our Excel properly. We don't use our Microsoft Word properly. That's why we don't see the advantage of having that. What's the advantage? You see, because I'm having a header, I am able to click here. I'm able to go to reference, table of content, then automatic table. This is my table of content. I'm able to create my table of content from a header. While for this one, I don't have any header. How do I do the table of content? Some of them, they do this, They go here, they go to insert, they go to table, they choose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. Nice. Yeah. You know what they do? Some of them doing this. It's very pity for me to see them do this. Copy and paste it here. Bum. Alamak, I just want it to become a text only. Okay. And then they copy this one. Copy again. And then paste here. And then come. Walao. They do this. And some of them select this. Copy again. Go here. And then paste. You know what they do? They did this. Okay, paste, and they put page number here. Page number 2, page number 2, page number 2, and make this text to align to the right. And then you know what they do? They select everything. Table design, border, no border. Guys, some of them doing this. Don't be surprised. There are people who still use this method. Come on, we are not doing this. This is not the right method of writing or using Microsoft Word. Okay, now you tell me, Nizam, now I have this. But the problem is I already have my report that looks like this. What Copilot can help me with this? Guys, don't worry. You see, you still got Copilot, right? All right. Now, you can just select all of the data here. Okay. All right. You know what you can ask? You can click on your Copilot here, and then what do you want Copilot to draft? Okay. You can ask your Copilot to rewrite. They are drafting to rewrite your document. They are rewriting. Yes. Okay. Replace. Microsoft Copilot is rewriting the document for you. Okay. Now, let's say, can Copilot help me to reformat this? I tried. This time, I'm not using Copilot down here, okay, to rewrite, but I'm using Copilot on my right side there. Okay. What I can do? This is different Copilot. The Copilot you see in here, this one to for you to rewrite. Okay. This is different things. Let's say, hello Nizam, here's some ideas to get started. Summarize the document, yes you may. Create an image, yes you may. You can more concisely describe item management, yada yada yada. Okay, let's say lah. I type here, try to reformat the data, oh no, the text. Okay, include the proper header. Try. Okay. So sorry. It looks like you are not connected to the internet. To keep chatting with Copilot, check your connection with. I'm not sure what happened to my Copilot. Let me try again. Okay, let me try once. Okay. Yes. All right. Sorry. Yeah. No. I think this one. Not. I think it changed. No change. Okay. I try this one. Okay. Reformat. I don't know why. Reformat the text. I'm so sorry lah. I think this might be a hiccup in my Copilot, but it's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. All right. I just want it to reformat everything from me. Okay. Now, guys, let's say I do this one. Maybe on this side, I don't know what happened here. Okay. I just copy this one. Okay. I just copy the whole text here. Okay. I just copy the whole text this time. Copy. Go to the new document, and then I paste. Pump. Once I paste, there's new Copilot here, which is paste with Copilot control. Okay, here we got paste with Copilot. Remember, in your Microsoft Word, there are 3 types of Copilot. The first Copilot to help you to make summarize, which is Copilot here. Okay, on this side. This one to create, to summarize. This one for you to rewrite. This one will help you to reformat. Okay, but my Copilot here, I think maybe some problem with the network. I'm not sure what it is, but it's okay if I cannot show you. But this one is quite different. Okay, this is paste with Copilot. Okay, you have to understand, when you are using AI only good on certain tasks only. If they are good in rewriting, they will be good in rewriting. If they are good in reformatting, it will be good in reformatting. Okay, so alah, janganlah hilang wait hilang. Why does this happen to me when I want to demo to you? Don't do this to me, please. Okay, wait Rainy, recover. No. Okay. Let's say I take this certain part of the data. Example, I take this. Okay. Copy. Go to new one. And then I paste. Pump. This time I'm using paste with Copilot, right? I'm so sorry. Just now I cannot show. I don't know what happened to my Copilot. It's hang already. So here I can choose what I want to keep. This all is paste special lah. But here we got make changes. Okay, if I just make changes, pump. Okay. Why are you doing this to me? Okay, give me a second. Why does this happen to me? Don't hang lah. Wait, just let it run for a while. Hi. This actually wasting my time lah. Come on, Copilot, don't do this to me. Okay, try again. I don't know what's wrong with my Copilot here. Window R, Word. Okay, I tried to create a new one. So here I want to turn off this. Okay. Okay, I hope you're okay. All right. I don't know what happened. So now, let's say if I try to find some text online, okay, let's say I go for Wikipedia lah. Okay, and I find some text about maybe in English. One article I find here is a pound. Okay, example, I take this text online. Okay, I hope this won't hang. Copy, go to my Word, and I paste it. Pump. Okay, now I choose this one. Paste with Copilot. All right, and I choose make changes. Okay, so what I want my Copilot to do? Okay, based from the text I copy from online, all right, I'm able to ask it to rewrite. Again, it will rewrite. Okay, power. Okay, make sure you save any important content before to replace yada yada. Okay, so now it rewrite the text so that it will looks good. Okay, let's say if I replace, done. This one, once I do the rewrite, okay, after I copy and paste. Okay, what if I choose another one, which is this time, paste with Copilot, and this time I choose make changes. Okay, just now I choose auto rewrite, but this time I try get coaching. The text provide comprehensive overview of Ezra, yada yada. Okay, so here it show you how you can write properly. The text provide comprehensive overview of Ezra, yada yada. Some sentences are lengthy and could be broken down for better readability and flow. Instead of working in London as foreign editors, yada 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 yada. So it asks you what you can improvise from the writing that you have done previously. Let's say if I go next here, second, okay, for you to improvise this text, and third, for you to improvise this text. Copilot not only will help you to write, it will also help you how to improve your writings. Nice, huh? So some people thought that, oh, if you have AI, everything can be replaced by AI lah. No, not everything can be replaced by AI. Okay, not everything can be replaced by AI. You still need your intervention, because believe me, by using words with AI, it can help you to improvise on writings. Yes. Okay. If I try another one, it changes. Okay, what do you want Copilot to draft? Okay, let's say this time I try something else. Okay, let's say if I try, I just type here as to remove, okay, all of the hyperlink. I try first to see whether it could work or not. It replaces all of the hyperlink. Keep it. Okay, guys, from here, your Copilot also, now I tell you, justify the text and make and make each of paragraph, okay, in bullet points. Oh, sorry, back. Type. You do everything in bullet point. You can keep it. Yes, guys, not only that, what if you have a data that is in a bullet point? Example. Okay, this is my PowerPoint. Okay, I have some data which is in bullet points. Okay, I show this one. I hope this won't crash my Excel, or it won't crash my Words or PowerPoint. I hope it won't crash. I don't know what happened. Okay, now you see, these are all data in bullet points. Okay, these are all data in bullet points. All right, so let's say I select all, or this one I think I select from here. Okay, I select those tags and I paste it in Microsoft Word. Pump. Those words is in bullet point. Okay, just now from a paragraph, I convert it to a bullet. What if I have a bullet and I want to convert it into paragraph? Okay, rewrite this bullets into proper paragraph. Okay, with header, with header and proper format. Okay, you see, keep it nice. From bullet, it convert back to paragraph. From paragraph, you're able to convert it into a bullet. Yeah, not only that, you can ask it to change. Let's say here, Copilot, highlight, okay, important dates. All right, just click next. If it fit with our needs, it will highlight. But in this case, I don't have any date. I only have year. Okay, let's say not date but year. Highlight all year. Okay, highlight all year as bold. Okay, just give it a try. Pump. Okay, I think we don't have a proper year here. It's okay if I keep it. All right, it should highlight all the years here. But maybe because this text I haven't cleaned it up properly. But it's okay. Just now you see, from bullet, you can create your words. From a bullet, you can create your words. Let me demo to you. How does this works? But I believe this one, okay, I believe, normally you don't know that in Microsoft Words, for Microsoft Words, we have relationship with Microsoft PowerPoint, that we can create slides for Microsoft PowerPoint from our Microsoft Words document. Okay, ready? I give one example. Okay, maybe I will download or I will use some sample from Microsoft Word. Okay, Win Word. Okay, okay. I want to find some sample for you. I think I have one. Ah, this one can. I don't know. Ah, okay. Now you see, this is the word. This is the text that I had in my Microsoft Word. Okay, this is the text that I had in Microsoft Word. Okay, and I want to send this, okay, to my Microsoft PowerPoint so that I can use it in my Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, you know, your text, your paragraph in Microsoft Word can be used as slides presentation in your Microsoft PowerPoint. They have link. Yeah, provided you have to convert this data or this paragraph into a bullet first. That's why your Copilot able to do it. Copilot, so make this as bullet list to be used, okay, in PowerPoint slides. Come, oh, sorry, enter. So now, these are the lists that you had. Okay, keep it. And now I want to send. This is the first one. Is the paragraph. This is the paragraph one. This is the bullet one. What can I do? You see, now I send that bullet version of paragraph to my other Microsoft Word. I save it. Okay, features of Word, and I save it locally on my desktop. I think I should go to local desktop, save. Then I close. Okay, remember from the paragraph, I convert it to bullet. Now I go back to my PowerPoint. I want to create PowerPoint based from that bullet. Guys, let's go to view. Oh, not view, sorry, home. You know what you can do? You can new slides, slides from outline. Okay, features of words, and then insert. Guys, automatically those bullets inserted into your slides. Oh, maybe tell me, hey Nizam, this is not the way I want. Yeah, you go to view, outline view, you can demote this. Demote, okay? Demote, demote, demote. Go back to normal. These are the list from your Microsoft Power Words, the list, the paragraph that you have simplified, make it as a bullet, and now it presented in your Microsoft PowerPoint. Because in your Microsoft PowerPoint, you also have your Copilot. You can ask your Copilot to design this to make it look nice. You see? That's why when you are using Microsoft Word, you have to use it properly. Now you have your Copilot. Copilot helps you to write. Okay? Guys, let's say I have written my article. Okay, I have written my article. So I have to check whether my article suitable to be presented or not. Okay, suitable to be presented or not. Sorry. Now, okay, I find some article from online. Okay, I find some article from online. Can you please start online for me? No, no, it won't. It won't. Okay. Ezra Pound share good. Nice. Okay. Let's see. Now, guys, you see, we have so many texts that you want to copy and paste it into your Microsoft Word. All right, you see. Now, this one is Ezra Pound, about Ezra Pound, and you got the fan background, early life education, yada, and then university, and then the teaching, and then the yada. Okay, let's say I want to take only this part. Normally, how we do it, we select everything like this. Okay, wow, wow, we select like this, wow, 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 wow. It's very hard to select, right? Let me show you how to do select and copy with more efficient way in your Microsoft Word. First, you go to home, you go to clipboard, turn on your clipboard. Now go to your Microsoft Word, go to the source of document. Okay, example, this is my source of document. The first one, I select this text only, copy. Okay, family background, triple. Okay, copy. This one, just 1, 2, 3, copy. 1, 2, 3, copy. Early education, copy. 1, 2, 3, copy. I just copy. I just copy only. I did not paste. Copy, copy, copy. And the last one, teaching. Copy, here, copy, here, copy. I did not do selection like this. It wastes my time. What I do, I just turn on my slice, my what called my clipboard. Now I click here, paste one, paste number two, text, text, paste, click and paste, click and paste, and then paste, 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 paste. That's all. Okay. I only click and paste only. And these are the document that I had. Okay, you see? But now Nizam, it doesn't look very nice because it got space lah, this and that lah. Guys, this is where you can select all. Okay, use your Copilot to reformat. Okay, reformat the text. Okay, make it have header. Okay, and remove all hyperlink. Bum. You just wait, you do the magic. You just wait and then you do the magic. You just wait and do the magic. You compare. Now you compare your normal copy and paste with formatted by your Microsoft Copilot. Which one looks better? This one is formatted by Copilot, right? You go to view, you go to navigation pane, it includes the header that I told you. Yes, it includes the header. There's no more. Oh, maybe you forget something. Maybe I forget something. Okay, in this case, okay, for this other parts, I don't need this other parts. I just will delete it. I don't want it. Okay, I don't want this part. Delete it. Now, you see, oh, I want to make it more clear and nice. So what I do, I just select all only and then ask my Copilot to do the formatting. You know, the right things have to come from your brain, but the formatting helped by your Copilot. Your Copilot helped you with the formatting. So in here, justify the text. Okay, all right, and add indentation. Okay, for each of first line on each paragraph. Okay, the indentation have to be 0.2 mm. Okay, just click next. Wait for magic. Okay. Oh, it doesn't work because I made a mistake from here. It's okay. You can always edit your text here. Okay, you try to edit it again and see what happens. Yeah, maybe I made a mistake, but it's okay. It's okay because you see, purposely, Microsoft don't want you to really rely on Microsoft only. On this one, because why? This one is easy already, guys. How to change this? You see, let me show you. Okay, this is the title. Okay, and this is the header, right? And this is what? Normal. Guys, it's very easy. Some of this formatting, you don't really need Copilot. What you can do, just go to normal here, right click, go to modify, and then go to format. Go to paragraph, all right? Special, first line, you want 0.2 cm. 0.2. Sorry, just I put mm. That's why it doesn't happen. Okay, alignment not to left but to justify. Click OK. OK. Everything counting. Everything looks nice with indentation. You see, just a little bit amendment. Everything looks fine. And guys, now you have this text. You have this text. Guys, I want to teach you. Oh, we have so little time. Okay, you see this teaching? Okay, you see this teaching? And you see these words, okay, you see, okay, this family background is okay lah. Early education, okay lah. University, okay lah. But the teaching here, their next paragraph is in the other part of this one. Normally, we will use pump, control enter to send it there. One of the method. But if you look closely, actually, there is a little bit issue here. I accidentally put a space there. Guys, right click, modify, format, paragraph. You don't need those indentation. Okay. The header here, title, again, right click, modify, format, paragraph, and then you move. Nothing. So guys, that's what I tell you. Copilot or AI only will help you to do your work. Most of the work have to come from your brain. Writing have to come from your brains. You can ask Copilot to rewrite these sentences. Yes, you can ask Copilot to auto-rewrite these sentences. Okay, but the first draft have to come from you. Okay, the first draft have to come from you. This is rewrite by Copilot, the first idea, the second idea, and the third idea. It's up to you. You choose which one you feel you like it. Okay, so I will rewrite and done, and that's my new text. I think we only have few minutes left before I open the floor for any questions. Guys, now, once I have this one, what I can do, okay? Okay, let me change this one first because I think this one is too small. I think 0.2 is too small. Maybe make it as 2. 2 should be okay lah. Okay, 2 okay. Let's see. Okay lah, you can see no problem. Okay, now, guys, next, you see, your Copilot help you to rewrite, your Copilot help you to reformat, and your Copilot help you to research. Guys, you go to editor, beside your Copilot, so see, this is another tools, editor. Click. Your editor score is 91%. This is formal writings. For formal writings, if you choose professional writings, only 86% to 93%. Okay, good. Because you got 4 spelling error, 2 grammar. Okay, I go to spelling here. What's worth? Alright, in this case, I will add this to dictionary because this is the family name. Fernbook Avenue, also place name, add to workbook with a PHB, add also because graduating. Self-centered, now you see, okay, it depends on where are you. If you are using UK library, okay, UK words, then this one will be the correct one, or else it will be this one. Okay, yeah, I like to change the spelling. Pump. Then you see my editor score is higher. I got 2 grammar error. Click to see what's the grammar error. Again was not invited to join from again. So it show you have to face a comma. Pump, it will replace for you. Spring need to have a comma. Pump, done. See your editor score increasing. Clarity, assisted. After serving the method, they ask you to consider aided. It's up to you. In my case, I just choose whatever they suggest to me. Help. He is not to definitive pen. Okay, he was not chosen, I think, much better. Now, inclusiveness, landladies, landlord. Because when you use landladies, it points to a gender. Actually, it is landlord. Doesn't matter whether the landlord is the owner of the land is male or female. So landlord, make it more general. Last, resume. Avoid some, sign up. So this is what specific numbers of example add impact to the resume. So it gives you some ideas what to improve from it. Okay, ignore. A few months. Okay, ignore. Done. We have done all the settings. Done. Guys, you want to check the document similarity. Sometimes you think that you write the document by yourself, right? You can check the similarity online. Yes, whoever think that their teacher or their boss cannot check, they are copying document from online, you actually can check. Go to similarity. You see, it will suggest to you citation. 43% similar to online sources. Okay, so if I add here citation, add citation. Okay, so anything that have cite that have citation that's similar to online, okay, will be suggested to be added here. This one maybe is quite similar somewhere. I don't know which one. Add citation. Okay, where does it go? Okay, I said for this one also I add in text citation. Let's say if I add in citation, okay, you can use this for your PhD to check whether your works is copied from online or not. Okay, like last time people say that kids say that, oh, you can copy lah, lecturer give you works and we can just copy online this and that. You don't think that your teacher don't know how to check. They know. Yes, add here. Yeah, I just add some citation here. So now we know where does this document came from. Where's my number 12, 11? I just make this one finish. To make this finish, where's my document here? Last one. Done. And also from here, this is editor only, yeah. Document status. Yes, let it calculate the status of your document. Guys, so from here you can see, honestly, Copilot, we use it to help you write better. This one is Copilot Enterprise in your apps. I save this. Okay, I type the name as Ezra Pound, save. What happened now? If I upload, okay, this is the last part. If I upload that document into web, or I upload that document into my Copilot GPT, upload, desktop, Ezra Pound, open. I ask my Copilot to read it for me and summarize it. Upload it. Guys, they help you to summarize the text. One Copilot help you to create, another Copilot help you to read it. I want to create a book. Design a suitable book cover for the document. Give it a try. Come. Yes, it gives you idea. Nice. This is how we use Copilot in Microsoft Word. I only show you the power of Copilot in Microsoft Word. And do you know that your PowerPoint also got Copilot? Your Excel also got your Copilot? While waiting for your cover page, I show you Copilot in PowerPoint. Copilot. Okay. Now I will ask my Copilot to help me to design a slide. Okay. Design slides about how Copilot can help you in Word, in Microsoft Word. You see? Oh, sorry. Like everything's copy here. Next. Yes, create new slides. About, paste, pump. Now I ask my Copilot to answer how can Copilot help me with Microsoft Word. Guys, you see, I generate the slides, my words. It helped me to understand how Copilot can help you in Microsoft Word. While waiting, I can see about my book cover. And that is my book cover. That is my book cover. It looks nice. Oh, while waiting for my book cover, now my slide almost finished. Lama. Guys, we have too little time. If we have more time, I can show you. Wow! Keep it. This is the slides. And this is not a simple slides. These slides include, see down here, footnotes. When you want to present, you can read this Copilot overview, Copilot integration with Microsoft Word, Copilot benefit of using AI assistant, yada, yada, yada. Nice, huh? Guys, I can give you these slides. Do you want these slides? If you want these slides, you can type you want this slide, I want, on Zoom chat. Then I can share with you. If you want, just type I want and I can share on chat. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Creating the link. Can edit? No. Can view only? Apply. Copy. And that's it, guys. Stop share. Okay. Okay. Where's my PowerPoint? Here. I want, please. Thank you. Okay. I paste it here. Pump. There you go. Guys, there on the chat, I share with you the slides that I created by using Copilot in less than, I don't know, ta-da! Guys, I hope this session will give you the overview what your Copilot can do, the power of Copilot. Guys, remember, you don't have to pay anything extra. Everything inside your PC already. Everything inside your PC. Okay? Good. I think that's it. I think the time is too short for us. I can show you more. All right. So now I will pass back the floor to Adib. Okay. And guys, for your information, Adib is he's actually an AI agent. He's not real. He was generated by AI. He's not here actually. All right. Okay. Thank you, Adib, for the chance to give me. All right. Okay. Good. I think
Alright.
I should stop talk now.
Okay. Okay, let me share my screen first.
Can I share my screen?
I don't need, just me.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, AI. AI, please share the screen. I see. Listen to me.
Alright, wait a second. Alright, so that's it. Let's conclude. Thank you so much, Mr. Nizam, for the excellent presentation. There's a lot of input, new knowledge gained today. Also, the side jokes. Okay. Now, since the time is already 1, okay, for those who registered through the NTW portal, your attendance have been recorded and your status will be marked as completed by next week. In the meantime, please do not withdraw your applications. To generate your certification, please do complete the TEE assessment. As for the video recording of this session, it will be available on our YouTube channel at Cell Academy Malaysia by next week as well. Now, let me inform you guys about our public training session by Excel Academy. If you guys interested to join the public class, you can contact us. We have Microsoft training, Microsoft Excel basic level by Mr. Nizam himself. We also have Microsoft Excel intermediate and advanced level, Microsoft for HR professionals, Microsoft Power BI, both session in June. And then we also have digital marketing training, digital marketing masterclass, digital marketing professional, SEO and SEM, social media marketing. We also have AI tools training, ChatGPT and AI tools for content creation and marketing, and AI tools for enhancing office productivity. Creative tool training, CapCut for video marketing, Canva AI bootcamp. And last but not least, we have human resources training, understanding the Employment Act 1955 and latest amendment. All right, I think that's conclude everything. Thank you all for your participation and have a great day. Once again, thank you so much, Mr. Nizam.
Bye bye.